And what's the message?
Oh, jeez. That hit me. That would have been perfect for video. Anybody capture that one?
Well, we got it on audio.
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah.
Yep, it nailed her. It buzzed me and then hit her.
Right in the face.
It's happening.
I can't stand up.
Nancy is now officially peed her pants. Yeah, I wish I would have had the camera on.
That would have been perfect. Well, I'm turning my recorder off now.
So am I.